So I've tracked down the problem with my Snowmobile lights. I was having the strangest problem with like the dim lights and everything. And then I came around and was checking everything over again for the 5th time. So what I did was I came around, I was looking, and this little ground, like this one little brown wire here, or purple wire, it was like, this nut was like all the way out, and like this little metal piece was far out too. So I picked this piece up, put it in there, finger spun it, and I'm just going to tighten up the rest of the way. But when I did that, I fired up the snowmobile and all the lights were working. And there's that bright light I kept seeing, and then it kept going away, and all it was that ground moving off. It's a bit hard to see, but the dash lights are on pretty good. That's working, my brake switch. That little blue headlight one does not work. And now I gotta fix the taillight, because the other day the taillight blew, so I got another taillight I'm just gonna shove in there and hopefully that fixes it. Alright, that wraps up the video. So if you guys are having dim lights out there, make sure you check the grounds, because the grounds could be not connected properly, could be a little bit loose, and that's what's going to give you those dim lights every time. So make sure you tighten those up and you should be good to ride. Have a good one, guys. See you next video.